Hello everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today it's how to change the battery in your Audi Key Fob remote. Now this is off a 2020 model. This should also be the same for any other Key Fob battery replacements in the Volkswagen group. This is the Audi Key Fob remote here, and this is 2020 model. What you need to do first is push that button to get the key blade out, and that will just pop out on the spring. And we need to get this cover off here. Now I found the easiest way to do this is just get a big coin, and what you're doing is on each corner you're just twisting it against to just push it up. So just twist and then it just pops up. Once it's released, then you can get your fingers under it and pop the whole thing off. Whilst I'm doing that, there's a link above now on various Volkswagen how-to guides. As you can see, it's popped off and there is the battery there, and it's a CR2032. Then what you need is just a small flat bladed screwdriver or just something with a blunt end. So I'm just going to push that into that gap there, and you're just basically popping it out. Now be careful, because there it goes. It will just pop out. Then take your brand new battery, make sure you get a really good quality one, and you're pushing it inwards. So you're pushing it in and then popping it down with your thumb. And that's gone in there. Then we can just get the cover back on. Whilst I'm doing that, there's a link above now on the various how-to guides on the Audi A1 Sportback. So just pop the clips in at the top there and then just push down. Superb. Once you've put the new battery in, make sure that it definitely works and opens and closes the vehicle and starts it up. Changing the battery in the Key Fob remote should never ever affect the electronics of the Key Fob, and it should always work exactly the same as it did before, but it's always worth checking just in case. Doors have opened perfectly, and let's just start it up. Absolutely superb. And after all that hard work, it is definitely time for a lovely cup of tea. Oh, if you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. If there's any other useful videos around here, then please select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel everyone, I really appreciate it.